Hello and welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for today, Sunday, the 15th day of October 2017. My name is Derek. Welcome. Everything you do is within your own risk, own reward. For I tail information from other people, I've been told that the New York Jets plus 8.5 points against the New England Patriots today in pro football is a very smart, sharp bet. I don't think I'm going to be taking it. I'm going to be focusing my actions on the Bitcoin charts or crypto charts as well as hockey. But let's talk about cryptos. Bitcoin got up to about 5,800. Nice little move as it broke past this 5,000 key resistance, and about an $800 surge from the breakout point. Price action well above the rising 18 average. Definitely an area that if there's going to be further retracement, I'd be looking for support. Also key area for where you came back to. That's in the range of about 4,500 to the 5,000 level. To me, when I look at the situation, okay, what's more likely to happen? A good correction, which we'll say like 5,000-ish, 550, 100 area, which is a 400-point difference, close to 10%. Or a move back to 6,000. I think easily 6,000 would be more likely, but it can work either way within these markets. When the market has nice bull runs, you're going to be making moves higher, moves lower, higher highs, higher lows. It's in need of a higher low, or making a higher low at some point. We'll say this is the last one, plus this breakout area in here. But it doesn't have to at this point because these things can have tremendous gains. But ultimately, at some point, it will need to have a correction. Let's take a look at this on the 4-hour time frame. And there's been a small sharp sell-off just recently down to this point here, a little under the 55 handle. And this also matches up with this low as well. So it's strengthening a base support level right now. It's already done so with resistance. So on the break of this point, expect further significant gains. And I guess you could say now breaking down below the support, you can now start to talk about a possible $5,000 test. Let's now take a quick look at Litecoin daily time frame. This is the second test within this downtrend that started in September. There was a little bit in here, but it didn't do much. It ultimately fell. It's now had a few days. It's now tangling with the 18 average of highs. It needs to get above it to attempt to revert the trend. And finally, on the 4-hour time frame, since this 4-hour chart went south on the trend, it had very few attempts to get above it, not doing so well. But it's actually hanging in there pretty well, looking as if it wants to revert this trend. Getting above this resistance point will help on the daily time frame as well. Thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.